Hello YouTube, Dion from Tech, and this is the unboxing of the Esperanza SIRIUS CREE Q5 LED torch. Now these are really low budget outdoor equipment that you'll definitely need on your camping, or if you just need a torch like this one. So to open up we'll just need a pair of scissors. This is my least favorite packaging ever, but we'll just have to cut it off here like that. That should do it. We'll just leave that aside. So here we have it. Now here we have the manual. We see here there's a model of our LED torch. You have all the important information here. You'll just have to read it once. It has different languages here, so choose the one you understand. This is the manual. So let's check the LED torch now and have a closer look of the product itself. Well, it's quite lightweight, but I guess it has to do with the batteries that we'll check it right now. As I guess there is no batteries included. That's a real shame, but that again explains the low price of this LED torch. Now here we also have another elastic band, and it seems that you can also open it here. There's a screw, you can see it right there. Other than that, we also have the on-off switch, and it's a really typical LED torch. This was the unboxing. Leave us a like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.